Hello friends, Adele here from Go Balik. Welcome back to my channel. As you've seen by now, the usual content on my channel are of all-inclusive resorts in the Caribbean. However, I found these videos in the archives of my phone and I thought, why not show you guys? This is going to be a room tour of a balcony cabin on the NCL Escape. NCL stands for Norwegian Cruise Line. These videos were taken in 2019. Though the ship has sat for dry dock for general maintenance and upkeep, no major renovations have happened. So what you see in this room tour is what you'll find today in 2021. I thought it'd be good to keep the original audio. Here I am, so excited.
Welcome to the Norwegian Escape.
This was a late winter, early spring itinerary that started in New York, stopped at Port Canaveral, Florida, went to Great Stirrup Cay, which is NCL's dedicated island, and Nassau, Bahamas.
Are still putting those finishing touches to your rooms at this moment in time, and they're not ready yet. We're going to make an announcement once
Unfortunately, it was too wavy of a day and we weren't able to tender at Great Stirrup Cay, but we spent an extra day in Nassau, Bahamas.
And amenities that the ship
This ship is NCL's first breakaway plus class. What that means is a lot of the action are on floors 6, 7, 8, and along the promenade. So I'd highly recommend a room on floor 9 to be close to lots of fun.
From outside, we are in room 9278, aft balcony room, angled balcony to be exact. It is Odie's birthday. So we got some decorations. I surprised him, but we will receive the cake later on. This is the bathroom. I want to do this smart without being in it like crazy. Pretty spacious for a bathroom. We're very specific with our toiletries, so we brought a lot of our own. Even though they do provide the basics like soap and lotion and what is it in here? Shampoo and body wash, conditioning shampoo. So I guess it's like a combo. Watch your step.
My booking travel tip would be not to wait for any of the cyber sales such as Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Labor Day weekend. I find that the further out I book my cruise, the better the overall cost. I try to look for deals that include specialty dining and special drink packages. My packing tip would be to bring a filtered pitcher. Yes, some drink packages include bottled water and bottled soda, but you have to get those things from the main areas and bring it back to your room. If you're running low or run out one night, it's nice to have clean drinking water handy. One night while on this cruise, we got hit with hurricane winds. Our ship leaned. It was dubbed the lean of 2019, but the NCL crew did an awesome job keeping us safe and keeping us calm. We had a great trip on this cruise. I highly recommend Norwegian Cruise Line as a whole. We will be back on another cruise next fall. We'll be going to Alaska. We're very much looking forward. Thank you all for watching and for the support as usual. Safe travels!